How to get gold notes on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First and foremost, let's go ahead and open up our Play Store and make sure that we are using the latest version of Instagram. At the top search bar, type in Instagram, and if you see update, tap onto update and update your Instagram app. Once you have updated your Instagram app, head over to your app, get logged into your Instagram account, then tap onto the messenger icon on your right hand side. Then you will see a note section. Tap onto your note to add a note. And here, in order to make your note in gold, you have to type in something that also concludes off the word gold. For instance, I'm going to type in gold digger. Once you do so, tap on the share icon. Refresh your page. Then as you can see that my note concludes gold, that is why this is showing on gold. And if you don't include the letter gold and tap on share, the gold note will be disabled. So make sure that you include the letter gold in your note in order to be a gold visible. Just like so, this is how you can have a gold note in your Instagram. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. To get more Instagram updates like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video.